Hey guys, this is Joey Dale and welcome back again to a new deep dive breakdown video. Today I will show you the project and the complete insight into my track I Am Home. I'm home. It's a big room anthem, a real energetic, big song, festival ready, with trance leads in the breaks especially. I'm pretty sure you will like this one. Make sure to download the full video, available on my website, including all project files and stamps, so you can see how I did everything and make your own track out of it. Alright, let's dive straight into it. First start off straight away with the intro part, because I think the kick and the rolling bass line are what really important in this track. So yeah, start off with the kick. It's a simple kick that you can have if you download the complete project file. It's a really nice and clean kick you can use in all your other tracks too. It really works well with EDM and trance and acid at the moment. Yeah, together with this bass line I found on Splice and I used in a lot of projects. In terms of EQing, I removed the higher frequencies just with a simple parametric EQ too, so you can see it for yourself in this project. Then the most important part of this track, and especially this low part, and with low I mean the lower frequencies, is this rolling bass line. It's called a rolling bass line, that's used a lot in trance and in psytrance. I will play it for you. So as you can see, it gives a real energetic rolling feel to the lower parts of the track. I used two actually, this one also. Together with the bass line, because I already have the bass line of course, I cut out, as you can see on this channel, it's called the rolling bass loop. I added another kickstart for the sidechain to make the kick stand out more. And in terms of EQing, you can see I cut out all the lower frequencies of around 120 Hz. So that means all the low bassline frequencies, because I didn't want to have it interfered with the real bassline. So together it gives a real rolling and like a groovy feel to it. That's really danceable. Then this is like a hi-hat loop I use in all my tracks. So you can have it for yourself too. Then we go to the next part. I'm gonna already introduce the melody and the synth. I will tell about the synth later in the drop part. But yeah. So as you can hear in this intro part, I already introduced the synth and the melody, and already a small part of the chords. This is like a loop I found on Splice, and I built a whole track around it with my own chords. It's like a choir sound. In terms of EQing, simple, lower frequencies, cutaway, stereo shaper to make it more stereo. As I said, you can use the stereoize preset, or like the A-side mid-splitter I use in a lot of tracks. And of course a reverb, around 34% wet. Let's go to the part of the drop. And then after that I will go to the part of the build-up. So the drop part is where all the energy comes in, and the synth is expressed in full. I will play it for you. So as you can see, it's the same bass line I already talked about, and the same kick. And of course the rolling bass line, this one. And this one also.